In the tapestry of our daily lives, patterns weave a detailed dance of repetition and symmetry. Patterns exist all around us, hidden in plain sight, just waiting for us to uncover and capture their inherent beauty and rhythm. Hi there, and welcome to week 14 of our 52-week smartphone photography project. This week, we're zeroing in on the theme of patterns. In this video, we'll guide you on how to discover these captivating patterns in your everyday surroundings, and we'll also share tips and techniques to capture them with flair using just your smartphone. Patterns are the universe's way of adding rhythm and repetition to the visual world around us. They present themselves in various forms, as sequences, arrangements, or designs that repeat in a predictable manner. A pattern can be the geometric alignment of a solar panel array, for example, or even the repetitive design of these rivets on the back of my wood stove. Essentially, patterns are nature and mankind's way of creating consistency and harmony in what might otherwise seem chaotic. How do we find these patterns in our everyday lives? Well, the secret's in developing an observant eye. Start by slowing down and really looking at your surroundings. The places you pass by every day might hold hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. Look for repetition and symmetry in both natural and man-made environments. One crucial tip is to change your perspective. Sometimes simply altering your viewpoint can reveal patterns that were invisible before. Try looking at objects from above, below, or even up close. Don't hesitate to get down on the ground or climb to a higher vantage point. Patterns have a way of emerging when you least expect them. One interesting aspect of patterns is symmetry. Symmetry in photography is generally achieved when two halves of an image mirror each other, either horizontally, vertically, or radially. This creates a sense of balance and harmony. This technique can make photographs appear orderly or neat and aesthetically pleasing. This is because it taps into our innate preference for balanced compositions. The easiest examples of symmetry can be found in nature, specifically in the veins of leaves and spiderwebs. A pine cone is also a great example of rotational symmetry. This is where aesthetic appeal meets functional purpose. The key is to align your smartphone so that the dividing line of the symmetry is centered within the frame. This ensures that both halves of the image will closely mirror each other. In our journey through the art of pattern photography with smartphones, we zoom in, quite literally, to discover the beauty hidden in the details. By using the zoom feature on your phone, we can bring the intricate world of patterns just a little bit closer. When we photograph patterns up close, they elevate their role as just elements of the scene to becoming the subjects themselves. This close-up perspective allows us to appreciate the finer details that are often overlooked in these kinds of images. Once we've captured these detailed patterns, it's time to breathe life into them using editing tools like Lightroom Mobile. Adjusting the texture slider can emphasize the tactile qualities of the pattern, making every ridge, furrow, or fiber stand out. Playing with your clarity slider can further define the edges within the patterns, adding more depth and dimension. And let's not forget about the color adjustments. Fine-tuning the vibrance and saturation can make the colors with our patterns more vivid. This ensures that they grab the viewer's attention. As we continue our exploration of pattern photography using your smartphone, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked upon. We've discovered that patterns can be found just about anywhere in the world, and they can be used to create some pretty abstract images. Now it's your turn to shine. Use your smartphone to capture the mesmerizing patterns that catch your eye, apply the editing techniques we've discussed, and create your own captivating images. Most importantly, share your creations with us. Upload your photos and join the discussion on patterns. Thank you for joining us on this photographic journey. Until next time, happy shooting.